So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find rentals with air conditioning here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, go to the location option right here, type in your location. So I will select New York City in this example. Once your area is selected, I want you to go to the top area right here to where it says beds, bath, etc. Go to where it says more and then press on that. Once you're here to say popular filters just like this, I want you to go ahead and press on air conditioning or AC and then press on view results. Now what you're going to be seeing is a variety of different rentals or listings that offer air conditioning in the unit. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find rentals with air conditioning on Zumper. Thanks again for watching and I hope this video helps.